Have you ever wondered why some people achieve great success while others remain stuck? The answer often lies in habits. Today's story centers on Arav, a young boy from Chandanpur. He dreams of becoming important and successful, yet struggles with laziness. Every morning, his mother urges him to get up, but he prefers to snooze. Arav watches hard-working people in his town, wishing to be like them, but he never takes action. His life lacks the discipline needed for success. One day, he encounters Gopal Kaka, a retired army officer known for his disciplined routine. Gopal Kaka's words resonate with Arav. Habits are like seeds. What you plant today will grow tomorrow. This sparks a realization in Arav. He decides to change. The next morning, he rises before sunrise and begins to run. At first, it's hard. He struggles but keeps pushing himself. Slowly, he builds endurance and decides to add studying to his routine. No announcements, just consistent actions every day. As weeks pass, he faces challenges. Friends tempt him to skip his routine, but he stays focused. Discipline becomes second nature. His friends notice the changes. Arav transforms from the king of laziness to an empowered individual. A scholarship opportunity arrives, testing both physical and academic skills. While others panic, Arav remains calm. His consistent preparation pays off when he excels in the tests, proving that small habits lead to bigger results. Gopal Kaka's wisdom comes back to him. Motivation starts you, but habits keep you going. Arav becomes a role model, teaching others that success comes from small, consistent actions, not just giant leaps. He encourages waking up early, reading, and exercising. Over time, these small acts create extraordinary change. Years later, Arav reflects on his journey. He achieved more than he ever dreamed, guided by the simple yet powerful lessons from Gopal Kaka. Remember, your future is shaped by small daily actions. You don't need massive changes all at once. Start small today. Walk 10 minutes, read 5 pages, or do 10 push-ups. Nurture these habits daily and watch your life transform. Success doesn't require greatness. It requires consistency.